At the center of modern manufacturing, there's a robust and reliable technology that defines both precision and efficiency: CNC milling. Join us in Intelitek's CNC Milling curriculum, where you'll unlock the secrets of this cutting-edge technology. Discover the fundamentals of milling, from the basic components of a machining center to the intricacies of control software. Learn how to mount a workpiece, manipulate the spindle, and decrypt numerical control language. Dive deep into the world of tooling, where precision meets innovation. Investigate the different tooling operations, including installation, defining offsets, and working with an automatic tool changer. Write your numerical control code in CNCMotion, Intelitek's simulation and control software for milling centers. Use that same program in the BenchMill or ProMill machines and experience the thrill of bringing your creation to life. Embark on a journey of precision, innovation, and excellence in Intelitek's CNC Milling Technology curriculum and shape the future of manufacturing.